she's going to help me with the rest of my lab. I think this class did a really amazing job covering many topics that relate to environmental health and could be applied to all areas of public health. The topics I found most interesting were the lectures on hazardous waste, food safety, and clean water. Some of these topics are important in the farming community, and apparently we're going to go for a walk, because we strive to keep the water, air, and soil clean for all of the environment. Each week for lab, I tried to relate the module topic to an aspect of my life where I saw a clear correlation. For example, on the transport week, I talked about farmers and their residual spray from fields that could affect our waterway and how buffer zones are important to prevent that. I also took time to research topics that related to the lecture. Like the week we had EPA Superfund National Priority List that exists to improve areas that are hazardous to the environment and surrounding communities. Or the week we talked about nuclear fallout from hydrogen bomb testing that took place in the U.S. Marshall Islands. I felt that adding extra research each week was a great way to incorporate what we were learning and applying it to the world around us. A key point I learned from this lecture is that almost every environmental factor plays a specific role in public health. Whether it's properly labeling chemicals that we use to protect workers, finding ways to provide clean water to improve a person's quality of life, or proper surveillance in order to prevent disease outbreaks. These key concepts will stick with me for the rest of my academic career and are a good foundation to build my future education upon. I hope that someday I can use my Master's of Public Health to work with the community and farmers in order to maintain a safe world for future generations. Thanks for hanging out with Noella and I, and have a great rest of the semester.